Hi, for this exercise we're going to be working with measures. So you've got a simple report here. I've literally only got 4 rows of data. We've got a due date, we've got who it's assigned to, and whether the task has been completed or not. Now, I'm recording this one on the 13th of May. So we've got this top task here, which was due yesterday, and it hasn't been completed. Okay, so we've got a mix of tasks here. So the exercise, we've got 3 parts. The first part is to create a measure. So this card here, I've got a measure called tasks that just counts your tasks. Okay, so that's the first part, really simple. The second part is to do another measure. So I've got a measure there called completed tasks and a measure for late tasks. So that's step 2. Step 3, okay. Now if I filter these, so if I go for Alice, Alice hasn't completed any tasks, so I'm getting a 0. I don't want to see a blank, okay. So the final part of this is to make sure your measures return a 0 rather than a blank. There are, of course, multiple ways to do these things, so I'll be showing a couple of solutions in the answer.